Tired of slow scanners that can't keep up with modern vehicles? Today, we're reviewing one of the most powerful diagnostic tools ever made by Autel, the MaxiSys Ultra. If you want dealership-level diagnostics in your own garage, this is the tool you need. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're diving deep into the Autel MaxiSys Ultra, Autel's flagship diagnostic tablet built for professionals, shop owners, and advanced technicians. Let's see what makes this scanner so impressive and whether it's worth your investment. What is the Autel MaxiSys Ultra? The Autel MaxiSys Ultra is a high-end, intelligent automotive diagnostic tablet with a 12.9-inch touchscreen, ultra-fast processor, split-screen display, and full system diagnostics for over 10,000-plus vehicles. It's built for quick troubleshooting, advanced coding, ECU programming, and smart repair guidance. Key features, explained simply. Massive 12.9-inch display, super clear, perfect for wiring diagrams and split-screen multitasking. Top speed performance, powered by Android 7, 256GB storage, and an octa-core processor. Everything loads fast. Intelligent diagnostics, automatic fault detection, smart repair suggestions, trouble code priority ranking, real-time repair tips. ECU programming and coding, supports BMW, Benz, Volkswagen, Audi, and more. 5-in-1 VCMI. VCMI equals Vehicle Communication and Measurement Interface. Includes oscilloscope, waveform generator, multimeter, CAN bus tester, pass-through programming. Wireless diagnostics. Work from anywhere in your shop, up to 50 meters. Topology mapping. Instant view of the entire vehicle network system. How to use. Simple walkthrough. 1. Turn on the tablet. 2. Connect the VCMI adapter to the vehicle. 3. Launch diagnostics, autoscan. 4. View fault codes, freeze frames, live data. Unboxing. Inside the box you get MaxiSys Ultra tablet, VCMI module, full cable set, OBDI adapters, protective case, charger, and USB cable. Quick start guide. Everything is premium quality and very solid. Pros and cons. Pros. 1. Extremely fast performance. 2. Best screen in the Autel lineup. 3. Intelligent diagnostics saves time. 4. Supports ECU coding and programming. 5. Includes full measurement tools. 6. Great for professional workshops. Cons. 1. Very expensive. 2. Too advanced for beginners. 3. Large tablet, not ideal for mobile mechanics. 4. Annual update cost is high. Final thoughts. If you run a professional auto repair shop or diagnose modern vehicles daily, the Autel MaxiSys Ultra is one of the best investments you can make. Its speed, intelligence, and multi-tool VCMI system make it unmatched. But if you're a beginner or working on simple vehicles, this tool might be more than you need. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment which Autel tool you want to see next. See you in the next video.